Section number 27 is entitled Multiplying Mixed Numbers. This is an easy section in the sense that there is nothing new to learn. If you want to multiply these two mixed numbers, the first thing you have to do is get them to be a fraction. Get each of these numbers to become a fraction, not a mixed number. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 5 is 29 over the 8, times 14 plus 4 is 18, divided by the 7. First convert to a fraction. Now, 2 goes into both of these numbers, 4 times and 9 times. And I don't think you can reduce any more. 29 times 8, 29 times 9 is 270, 241, I guess. 81, 18 and 8 is 6. I should guess again. But I have problems with that. I have a lot of problems. 270. Yeah, it's 261. What am I thinking? Over 4 times 7 is 28, and there's the answer. There's the answer. Convert the mixed numbers to fractions and then multiply fractions. Two things that we've already learned how to do. 2 4/5 times 7 and 1 over 8. 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4 is 14 over 5 times 7 times 8 is 56 plus 1 is 57 over 8. Once again, these two numbers are even. One from the top, one from the bottom. 7, and nothing else can be reduced. In the bottom is 5 times 4. In the top is 7 times 57, which is 350 and 49. 399. And there's the answer. The problem's done. And if you need to go over to the side to do that calculation, fine. 35 and 4 is 39. 399 over 20. So, when you study, it's good to do problems, but you also need to know what the rule states. To multiply mixed numbers, we convert each mixed number to a fraction, and we multiply, canceling out if need be. 3 times 7 and 2/5. Well, 3 is fine. If you like, you can say it's 3 over 1. That's a matter of taste. 7 times 5 is 35. Plus 2 more, 37 over 5. The only number in the bottom other than 1 is 5. There's nothing. The only number that goes into a bottom number other than, these are the two bottom numbers. The only numbers that go into a bottom number other than 1 is 5. And 5 doesn't go into 3, and it doesn't go into 37. So you can't reduce. And 3 times 37, well, 3 times 30 is 90, plus 21. That sounds like 111 to me. And there's the answer. If you're given a fraction, and you want to multiply it by a mixed number, both numbers have to be fractions. And if the first one is, you say, good, I don't have to do anything. But don't panic and say, oh my, it's not a fraction. It's not a mixed number. First of all, it is a mixed number. You can think of it as 0 2/3. 3 times 0 is 0. Plus 2 is 2. And keep the denominator. 5 times 1 is 5. Plus 4 is 9 over 5. 3 goes into these two numbers. One from the top, one from the bottom, one from the top. 3 goes into 3 one time. 3 goes into 9 3 times. 2 times 3 divided by 1 times 5. Now if you wanted to write these answers as a mixed number, well, 5 goes into 6 one time with 1 left over. Divide the remainder by what you're dividing by. If somebody asked me to do this division, I wouldn't. I would multiply top and bottom by 2. And then I get 222 over 10. And then I would play games with the decimal. I get 22.2. I'm going to talk about this in our future section. That 0.2 is 2 over 10, which is the same as 1/5. And you can do 10 into 2, 2, 2. 10 goes into 22 2 times with 2 left over. 10 into 22 goes 2 times with 2 left over. And that becomes 22 1/5. I'd rather do 10 into that number than 5 into it. Okay, let us try one more of these. 7 2/3 by 5 1/4. 21 plus 2 is 23 over 3 times 20 plus 1, 21 over 4. 3 goes in both of these numbers 1 time and 7 times. No other reducing can be done. 23 times 40, 23 times 7 is of course 161. And 1 times 4 is 4. And there's the answer. If you want to do a mixed number, 4 goes into 160 40 times. 4 times 40 is 160 with 1 left over. Double check. 4 times 40 is 160 plus 1 is 161. And the two denominators are the same. That means I did it correctly. Okay, good luck with multiplying mixed numbers.